Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best full zip-up jacket on the market, the Hanes Ecosmart Fleece Full Zip Hoodie for Men. If you're looking for a hoodie that blends comfort, durability, and eco-conscious design, this might just be the perfect pick for you. Right off the bat, this hoodie stands out because it's made from a balanced blend of 50% cotton and 50% polyester fleece. What makes it special is the cotton is sourced from American farms, giving it a sustainable edge. The fabric itself feels incredibly soft and plush, which means it's not only warm but also comfortable enough for all-day wear. The design features a classic zip front silhouette that's simple yet functional. It includes a full zipper that makes it easy to throw on or take off, whether you're layering for chilly mornings or cooling down later in the day. The hood is adjustable with a drawstring, allowing you to customize the fit to your liking. It also has a spacious split kangaroo pocket in front, perfect for keeping your hands warm or storing small essentials. One of the things Hanes really nailed here is the fit. It's designed with a standard men's fit, but it's also versatile enough to offer an oversized look if worn by women. This makes it a great unisex option for anyone who appreciates a relaxed, comfortable style. The ribbed cuffs and hem help the hoodie maintain its shape over time, preventing that stretched-out feeling some hoodies develop after repeated use. The fleece used is thick and sturdy, which means it's built to last. The double needle stitching at the neck and armholes adds to the jacket's overall durability, ensuring it can handle everyday wear and washing without losing its structure or comfort. Another highlight is its mid-weight fabric. It's warm enough to keep you cozy in temperatures around 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for layering in cooler weather or wearing on its own during milder days. Despite its warmth, it remains lightweight, so you won't feel weighed down or overheated. Care is simple too. Just machine wash and it's ready to go again. Since it's imported but made with quality materials and craftsmanship, you get a reliable product without breaking the bank. In summary, the Hanes Ecosmart Fleece Full Zip Hoodie is a smart choice if you want a versatile, durable, and eco-friendly jacket that delivers on comfort and style. Its classic design, combined with sustainable sourcing and high-quality construction, makes it one of the best options available today for anyone in need of a dependable full-zip fleece hoodie. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this hoodie or want to learn more about other great products, stay tuned and subscribe for more honest reviews and detailed breakdowns.